and Carey.
And I'm Carey.
And we're here doing a really quick 1 hour cross-step review.
We'll brush up.
A little brush up.
So,
the first thing that we did, we're going to go that way, is we started off after we just started walking in 6 steps. We do waltz in 6. Is that we worked after we did the basic. We stepped through, across, open, through, across, open. Notice I'm using my body to take her where I want her to go. If I reorient, we can see here, she's moving with me, and always a little bit behind because she's waiting for me to show her what I want.
I'm following.
Right, she's following. Then we went ahead and we broke down the footwork. And what we said was, in a normal basic, I'm going to step down line. This is starting from the lead's position with my right foot. I'm going to step over the top. My butt is fully facing line of dance. And I'm going to push off, take a 3rd step, down the line.
We really emphasize that we are looking from count 2 to 3. So you've got that cross on 1, you've got nice small count 2, and then we're going to look over our right shoulder, boom, so that we step on 3 and we're heading down 1.
After we do those first 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, we're going to go ahead and cross through,
between, reset,
and get back to that position. Now going this way,
all together,
through, across, down line,
through, between, reset.
right? So we want to be able to maintain that. And then, and notice we're really dancing together, right? So it's not so much that the lead's going and the follow's going. The lead is doing a specific footwork and the follow on the next 3 steps is doing that footwork. But if you notice, we really try to keep dancing together. And if she happened to do really big steps and I happen to do small ones, we both probably have to work with each other to make that work, right? So we're going to stay together. Right? Through.
Really waiting for each other, really noticing each other's movement, and working in tandem.
All right, and then we did a swing out. So when we were doing this to learn how to work together, I'm going to cross her in and cross her out. But there's a move called a swing out. It's sort of the first one we ever learned, where I swing her out,
Send me into the middle.
and she gets this connection, right? And then I'm going to drop this hand to bring her back. Back she comes. So, out,
In the middle, back to the out.
in, and back. Now, to get to that from the basics, I'm going to have to face forward, right? Because when I'm doing my basic, I'm facing the outside.
Our reset position is here.
And that's where I'm going to have to start. And to regain the basic, that's where I'm going to have to finish this move. But in the meantime, with that move, I'm going to be facing forward.
So we do a basic on top. She's not going to go all the way to reset. She's going to face line of dance.
I'm going to drop this hand,
Swing hold.
send her out,
Into the middle. I got to get into connection.
drop the hand from her out.
Da-da.
And this time, if I want to regain that basic, I'm going to send her in and face the outside, which allows us to go back to the basic. So that's what we did, and the last thing that we just showed was a basic tuck and turn with a basic on top. I bring her in front, I send her down line, and through. And that's what we got done. Thank you very much.
Awesome.
And you can hit the